Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have the dark mode feature on your control center. So if you don't know how to add dark mode on your control center, you want to open your settings, click on control center, and you want to scroll down until you see the dark mode option. So just go ahead and click on the plus sign at the left side of it, and that is how you add the dark mode on your control center. So now you want to open your WhatsApp, and as you can see that the appearance of my WhatsApp is on light mode. So if you want to enable dark mode, you want to open your control center and click on the dark mode option. And that is how you enable dark mode on WhatsApp using your iPhone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.